It's a snow day. I found this little place to rest by these trees. It's gorgeous. And cold. So I was thinking that it's pretty cool when you're riding the chairlift and you hear these screams and shouts of like pure joy from people who are 30, 40, 50, 60 years old. Like, woo! Ah! Like just spontaneous emissions of like pure joy and pure excitement. And it's like, how many times in our adult lives do we just make sounds of like pure and adulterated joy? Is that where that word comes from? Unadulterated? Pure before it becomes ruined by adults? I don't know, but just a quick question to check in. When's the last time you made a spontaneous sound of joy or surprise or wonder? Like a woo! I think sometimes we're so, no, we are adults and we must be adult-like, when really there's so much to be curious about and to explore and to play in. And this is definitely one of those places to do it. Can you see it's like snowing on my face right now? Free refills all day long. All right, I'm gonna go down this little bit. I'm not gonna fall into a tree well. Bubble of protection. I'll talk about that in another video. Have a great day. Bye.